Hey everybody, it's Dan Barry with Jabra. I'm here at E4 in Teaneck, New Jersey with our friends Exertis and Almo, and I want to talk to you quickly about our new products, the Speak2 series speakerphone by Jabra. We have three products within this segment. We have the Speak2 75, the Speak2 55, and the Speak2 40. And just to talk about some of the unique benefits and the feature improvements of this product, it's plug-and-play connectivity to your computer via built-in USB-C and USB-A connectors, easy Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity for mobile devices, Jabra Link 380 Bluetooth USB adapter with up to 330 meters of range or 150 feet for wireless range to your computer. And we also have, you can connect up to 2 Bluetooth-enabled devices at the same time, including a mobile device and your computer. And as part of multiple pairing, you can pair up to 8 devices. On the audio side, we have 4 beamforming microphones to cancel out the background noise and reverb for perfect voice quality and pickup. We have a full audio duplex. It's a 65 millimeter speaker that offers more natural and distribution-free calls and music. And it's a super wide audio band for capturing wide frequency range for more natural and richer audio than ever. And the last piece, you get up to 32 hours of battery life on this new product. So for more information, you can connect with Jabra.com. Thanks a lot.